And still on the issue, leader of government business in the Senate, Kamina Johnson-Smith, has again apologized to opposition Senator Floyd Morris, who is visually impaired, for comments made at Friday's sitting. Mrs. Johnson-Smith rejected Senator Morris's request to adjourn the sitting so the material could be converted into a suitable format for him to follow. She also made reference to him recently completing his PhD and writing his autobiography.
I wish to apologize wholeheartedly and sincerely for any and all distress or offense caused to Senator Morris by my comments. Senator Morris, through the President, you have my deep and sincere apologies. I meant absolutely no disrespect. I meant absolutely no offense, and I regret that the entire incident took place.
Senator Johnson-Smith, know that you have recognized that you have been wrong in the statement or the comment, and you have apologized. I sincerely accept your apologies.
I am to once again request that Senator Morris, and indeed all senators, receive their documentation for meetings in the appropriate time, to the extent that you receive them, and also in relation to the particular format that Senator Morris requires his documents in. He assures me that he gets the full cooperation from the clerk and the assistant clerks.